go in the water. Yo!
Okay.
How's it going?
Hi, kid, how are you?
Good. So the reason why I stopped you is you're not making complete stops. And that last one, you didn't really stop. You just tapped the brakes.
Okay. Okay.
Your license, registration, insurance?
Of course. And open the plate. Open the box.
Yeah, that's fine. Where are you headed?
I was gonna park at this lot. We're the dorms.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, you're a student?
Yes.
Okay.
So is he. Okay, and then he. This is expired. Let me get my actual registration. And can I pull it on my phone? Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, let me call him. Let's see if we can get it.
Are you crusty? Are you crusty? What does that mean?
It's just you, crusty.
Does that mean what I'm thinking means?
No, yeah, it means you, crusty. That's it. Some people say, "Does it mean you rusty?" I said no. Here, let me call my mom because she does it. Sorry. Hey, can you send me my insurance?
566 963. The return to address the state in the middle of Carlo, Esco Morales, Street.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
Anywho.
No, I was like, what the fuck? She's like, you get pulled there. I was like, yeah, girl.
We got red check. I've been wanting to try this for a while.
Okay.
Ooh. That's large.
Those are pretty good.
Yeah. The sauces are small.
Oh.
Damn, that's huge. Currently, we are at Claire's. We were just walking around the mall, but we ended up buying like a bit of stuff. And I might get my seconds pierced today. Let's see.
Bro's getting
You're
his
done.
ears pierced.
Yep. And we're up close and personal. Alright. I think it looks nice. How do we like it so far? I mean, I think I asked this same question when I was like, when you were getting yours.
Yeah.
And actually, I saw like a dude like wearing the same polo as me while I was like, getting my piercings. I was gonna talk, but she was like in my face, so. But yeah. We came to Sprouts to get some sandwich, which is gonna be our lunch / dinner. Cutting for the summer. No, that's a very big bag of you. We are not having that this week. Yeah, we only came here for sandwiches. Sandwich reveal. I got turkey with sourdough, lettuce, red onion, sub dressing, mustard, and avocado.
I got classic white, ham, lettuce, red onion, mayo, mustard, and Swiss cheese.
Alright, oh. That looks cool.
Little sandwich.
Yep.
Looks good.
Okay. Cheers. So So that's what we're doing right now.
Okay, so what would you rate your sandwich?
A 6. Oh, I was waiting for you to like rate yours.
I'll rate mine like an 8.
Here we go. I mean, his was like a lot better than mine.
And then I got some watermelon juice, some Takis,
Sprouts
and some
Takis.
pineapple. Yeah.
Right, we are at Target right now, and he needs to get a few stuff for his art class, which is Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah, perks of being a business major. Anyways, today's Mother's Day, and I'm definitely not close to my mother right now.
ugly.
They are ugly.
Yeah, I just came back from San Diego. I was with my mom for Mother's Day.
Yep. My mother's halfway across the world, but I still talk to her. Oh, it's a MacBook Neo.
Me no likey.
Really?
It's just
Just feels okay.
yeah. It feels like
Well, you have the Pro. Of course, you don't like it, but I think it's like good
for students it's good. Like,
Yeah.
You don't need a lot.
Yeah. I've told Aiden this before, but this one time I asked some random lady in Target what something that I wanted was, like where it was, and she was just some random lady with a red sweater.
Appreciate the small one. It's only $1 more for me.
What if we just do that one challenge where like people stay in Target for 24 hours?
I'm done.
I don't want to get caught. Happy birthday to you. I need something sweet. I don't have anything sweet. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lance. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
2 decades old.
Yep, the big 2-0. Everyone, today is May 11th. Starting today, like this whole week, is the finals week. Last week was the last week of classes. So I only had classes on Monday and Wednesdays, and after that I was free all week because I don't have any in-person finals, and I'm done with like 3 of my classes finals. I just thought, oh, the campus is gonna be dead by next week, but no. We still have this week until people are gonna be coming on campus for exams and stuff. But yeah, this is the last week of this semester officially, and after that, summer break. Really excited for it. A little update on the apartment situation. So, Aiden and I did like the place that we toured, but drum rolls, I'm gonna be staying in the dorms for the summer. Yep, honestly, now that I think of it, it's not really the worst option ever. Considering that I literally don't have any family to go to here, so yeah. For now, I am gonna have my breakfast and head to work, which is also conveniently on campus, so let's do that. Here's the outfit for today. Just camo and what is it called? A Henley. That is a sad little project right there. That's supposed to be a pig and that's supposed to be a snake. The snake looks good because the eye made it. But yeah, he's just gonna chill in my room until Camo. He's gonna chill in my room until his class because it's like only 8:56 right now, and I'm gonna go to work. I was gonna say the campus is like bad, but that's usually the case when it's like 9 in the morning. Classes. Most of the classes just start at 10, so you're only gonna start seeing people after 10. My hair is a chop, but we're gonna make it through the day. I was not recording, but we got this giant thing of chicken from Walmart only for like $8, and we're like super hungry, so we're gonna pig out right now. Ooh. Go on in.
Go.
It's all bad.